This week's plant of the week is Blue Fortune Hyssop. We're down at the Lead Lodge in Nebraska City, and when I was down here with my family, I couldn't help but notice the mass planting that they had. I use Blue Fortune Hyssop as a substitute for Russian sage. What I like about it is it doesn't meander, it doesn't wander, it's a bunch plant. So, you can plant a single one, it'll stay about 3 feet by 3 feet. If you plant 5 of them together, you get what we see here. It's a pollinator dream. This is one of probably 10, 15 plants that I plant. And as soon as I plant it, it's got pollinators on it. So it's great for attracting more species to your yard. It blooms from about mid-July, maybe early July, all the way through to the first frost, but man, you can't beat it. Hardiness scale, it's probably a 7 out of 10, but plant it and enjoy it. Over to you, Gannon.